Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MoonPay widget for instant US card purchases step by step clearly. To install the MoonPay widget for instant US card purchases, follow these steps carefully. First, visit the MoonPay website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button and filling in the required information. Once logged in, navigate to the widgets section of the dashboard. In the widgets section, you will see options for different widgets. Select the option for the Instant Buy widget. Now, customize your widget settings as needed. You can choose the cryptocurrencies you want to offer and adjust other parameters. After customizing, click on the Generate Code button to create the widget script. Copy the generated code to your clipboard. Next, open the HTML file of the web page where you want to install the widget. Locate the spot in the HTML where you want the widget to appear. Paste the copied code into that location. Save the changes to your HTML file. Now, upload the updated HTML file to your web server. Once uploaded, navigate to your website in a browser. Check if the MoonPay widget appears as expected on your page. If everything looks good, test the widget functionality with a trial purchase. Follow the prompts in the widget to ensure it processes the transaction correctly. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings in your MoonPay account. Ensure your API keys and settings match the requirements for your integration. With these steps completed, your MoonPay widget should be successfully installed. You are now ready to accept instant US card purchases through your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.